Matt from the Random Maker here, and today I am here to do another Arduino project based on the lessons provided by Elegoo for their starter kits. If you look at the number above, you can kind of see where you are in the series, and other than that, we're going to flip screens and we'll introduce today's project. Alright, so we are going to be working on the Elegoo Part 2, Lesson 6, Passive Buzzer project at this stage in the game. And the funny part is, again, no breadboard, we've got the board, we've got your buzzer right here, just like before, and I'm going to just kind of go in the light a little bit so you can see the positive side, and we've got two wires, male to female. Okay, and this is almost the exact same as the previous one. The only difference is we are not going to be wiring to pin 12, we're going to be wiring to pin 8. So again, I'm going to take the red wire and connect it to the buzzer. I'm going to take the black wire and I'm going to connect it into the buzzer. Make sure we have a nice good connection there. And I'm then going to take my buzzer and, as before, make sure we have the digital side and not the analog side. And the easy way to tell is your digital side is closer, at least on these boards, the Elegoo Arduino R3, to the USB. Okay, so now I'm going to take my black side, which is my negative side, and I'm going to throw that into ground. And whereas last time with the buzzer, okay, hang on a second, let me hold that, I put into pin 12. This time we're going to go to pin 8. And that is it for the wiring of this project. And now we're going to flip over the screen to the coding so that we can get this annoying buzzer going. All right, let's flip screens. Okay, now we're going to do the coding kind of side of the passive buzzer. So we are going to hit open, and this one's a little different because we have to actually drag in two files and we have to play with the library. So I'm going to hit open, and I am going to switch over to the passive buzzer, and I'm going to get the passive buzzer INO file and hit OK. And I'm going to just move this over here so we can all see it. Now, make sure this is the issue right here. See this pitch.h? That file has to be added into your library, and they only accept zip files. So here's how we do that one right here. What we're going to do is go to include library, and we are going to go add zip file. I'm going to go onto my desktop because that is where I have everything here, and I'm going to look right on the bottom here. You can see I have the pitch zip file, and I'm just going to click on that. And in my case, I already have it in the library because I test every project beforehand. But in your case, it should just go straight green. So that's all right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the verify button to make sure everything's talking. Okay, as we can see, if you had not done this pitch.h file, it would have gone red because it needs this file to understand. Okay, really simple next step. We've already verified the file, and now all you would have to do is plug in your Arduino, click on upload, watch it go, and that's about it. Hit upload. And joy. Okay, you've heard the sounds. For my own sanity, I'm going to unplug this, and this is the point where you can play with the coding. We can change some of the times and stuff like that, and the pitches, and this is just one way to work with this little buzzer. Hey, if you liked that video, why don't you hit the like button? If you want to see more content like this and other random projects, hit the subscribe button and follow what the Random Maker is doing. If you have any project ideas and want to see come to life in front of you, put it in the comment section below. We do take a look at all the comments, and whether we reply or not, we are reading them. I want you to know that. And you know what? Until the next project, Matt from the Random Maker saying, let's get making.